Mr. Speaker, sir, allow me to outline the macroeconomic assumption underlying the 2026-2027 budget. Mr. Speaker, sir, the following are the macroeconomic assumptions that have been used in formulating the 2026-2027 proposed national budget. The macroeconomic assumptions are as follows: fiscalized GDP growth rate of 4.1%, NDA inflation, NDA for the 2026-2027 at 15%, nominal GDP of 31.5 trillion, and a policy rate of 18% from the Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm also on to report that our assumption for this budget on the policy rate is at 18% compared to the current 26%. Key policy objectives of the 2026-2027 budget. Mr. Speaker, sir, the 2026-2027 budget estimates have been formulated on the basis of the following key policy objectives. 1, to reduce fiscal deficit from the 11.9% to about 9% of GDP, consequently reducing government borrowing and debt. This will be achieved by implementing revenue enhancement and expenditure control measures. 2, to create fiscal space through debt restructuring. 3, to prioritize allocation of resources to key productive sectors of the economy, such as agriculture, tourism, mining, manufacturing, and small and medium enterprises. 4, to enhance export promotion and import substitution strategies so as to improve generation of foreign exchange and boosting the country's balance of payments position. 5, to undertake accelerated fiscal decentralization by providing significant resources to local councils through the reformed Constituency Development Fund. And lastly, number 6, to strengthen fiscal discipline through performance-based disbursement of resources for projects and all key government programs.